Here at Sunburnt AI, we're all about one thing: helping established businesses like yours really get a handle on artificial intelligence. The goal? To help you scale your operations, but without losing that lean, agile edge that made you successful in the first place. Think of us less as developers and more as your strategic AI partners, right here, ready to guide you all the way from strategy to implementation. So let me ask you something. A big question that we think every business leader needs to be thinking about right now. Is your next hire an AI agent? Now, I know that might sound a little bit like science fiction, but it's quickly becoming a very serious strategic reality. If you stick with me, we're going to explore exactly why this isn't just possible, but honestly, it's essential for staying competitive.
You know, we're in the middle of this massive shift in how business gets done. The forecast is that by 2026, pretty much every new company is going to be AI first. That means they're built from the ground up to be leaner, faster, and just smarter. For those of us in established businesses, this isn't just some trend. It's a direct challenge, and it creates a very real dilemma.
Just picture this for a second. On one side, you have these AI-native startups. They have no old systems holding them back. They can build these incredibly efficient operations with a tiny human team that's supercharged by AI from day one. And then, on the other side, you've got established, successful businesses like yours. You've got amazing people, solid processes, but the big question is, how do you bring AI into the picture without it all turning into chaos or introducing some huge risks?
And that's where this thing we call AI noise comes in. As a leader, you're just getting bombarded every single day with news about 1,000 different AI tools and platforms. It is completely overwhelming. It's that feeling of drowning in this sea of options, while at the same time you're absolutely starving for just one single clear strategy that's actually going to impact your bottom line.
And here's where it gets really dangerous. Just playing around with those shiny, off-the-shelf AI tools can open up a whole can of worms. You could be, without even knowing it, sending your most sensitive company data offshore. You could be losing control of your valuable intellectual property, or creating these deep operational risks you won't even see until it's way too late. And all the while, those AI-native competitors, they're quietly pulling ahead.
Okay, so this is where we step in. We see our job as being your strategic bridge. We're here to guide you over those turbulent waters of AI chaos and get you safely to the other side, a place of total clarity, confidence, and control.
Our whole philosophy is built on this really simple but powerful idea: clarity before code and impact before infrastructure. So what does that really mean? Well, it means we never start by talking about technology. We always start with your business, your goals, your people. We are absolutely obsessed with delivering real, measurable impact, not just building complicated tech for tech's sake.
So how do we do it? Well, we walk you through a really clear journey. We start out as your consultants, working right beside you to build an AI investment roadmap that's not just smart, but totally defensible. It's only then that we move on to development, building custom AI systems that fit your operations perfectly. And we don't just build it and walk away. We stick around to make sure your team is trained and mentored so they're ready to lead with these new tools.
So what's the end game here? What does this actually look like for you? Let's just paint that picture for a second. Imagine your company as this lean, high-output machine, powered by your amazing people working hand-in-hand with a team of secure, custom AI agents. In this future, your talented people are finally free from the daily grind of all those repetitive administrative tasks. They get to focus purely on high-value strategic work, the stuff that actually needs human creativity, empathy, and insight. And in the background, your custom AI workforce is just humming along, handling all the data-heavy lifting securely and tirelessly. And look, I know this might sound a bit like a far-off dream, but it's not. It is happening for our clients right now. Take Rachel Corbett, the CEO of B&B Advocates. She told us that working with us helped them slash their admin effort, which meant her team got to spend way less time on manual tasks. That's the kind of real-world impact we live for. Okay, but to build something like this, trust is everything, right? You need a partner you can absolutely count on. That's why everything we do at Sunburnt AI is built on 3 pillars: security, sovereignty, and proven results.
For us, there are a few things that are just non-negotiable. First, AI should be a shield that strengthens your business, not a vulnerability that exposes it. Second, it has to be transparent. No mysterious black boxes. You should always understand how it works. And third, your systems and your data need to be governed locally, under your control, never outsourced offshore. Period. And what all of that boils down to is our #1 promise to you.
The AI systems we build for you aren't licensed and they're not rented. They are systems that you fully own. They are secure by design, they are sovereign to your business, they are 100% yours. That means you always have complete control over your data and your most valuable IP.
And listen, we don't just say this stuff, it's in our DNA. And we're really proud that our commitment to delivering secure, strategic AI has been recognized by the industry at the very highest level.
In fact, we were just named a Clutch 2026 top AI security management company in Australia, and also a top artificial intelligence company right here in Brisbane. For us, this isn't about patting ourselves on the back. It's outside proof that our strategy-first, security-first approach actually delivers results that matter.
So what does this all mean for you, right now? Well, the choice for leaders today isn't really if you'll adopt AI anymore, it's how. You can keep kind of cautiously dipping a toe in the water with public tools, or you can make a conscious decision to move from just experimenting with AI to truly leading with it.
And that's really the question on the table, isn't it? Are you ready to cut through all that noise? Are you ready to stop just playing around and start actually leading, building a powerful, lasting competitive advantage with AI?
If the answer to that is yes, or even if it's a maybe, then the next step is really simple. We'd like to invite you to book a complimentary strategy session with our team.
And just to be clear, this isn't a sales pitch. It's a real, hands-on strategy session. We'll dive into your specific goals, your challenges. We'll open up our playbook and show you real case studies from businesses just like yours, so you can see exactly how a clear strategy made all the difference for them. Let's build your AI future together.